everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Tomorrow is a really exciting day because it is my 5-year YouTube anniversary, which is absolutely crazy for me to think about. And in those past 5 years, a lot has happened, and I figured it would be fun today to kind of do a little bit of a rewind. So I went through almost every single video I have filmed for this channel and took a couple seconds from each one and put it all into one video, just so you guys could kind of see how I have changed over the years, what I've done, some of my funny moments and stuff like that. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and roll those clips. Uploading my first video onto YouTube was a spur of the moment thing and I'll never regret it. This is the camera that I first started out with on YouTube. I just turned 19. I finally reached 5,000 subscribers. I'm done my freshman year of college. The son and I just don't get along. I just hit 10,000 subscribers. I don't know if that's what they're actually called, that's just what I call them. I am a sophomore in college. I will be getting my tonsils taken out. Good morning, guys. I will be 20. Today is my 2-year YouTube anniversary. So this is Abby. Contains fish gelatin. A lot of things are going to be changing on my channel. I have not been on my YouTube game for the past couple weeks. I will be turning 21 tomorrow. A little over a week and a half ago, I had an emergency appendectomy. It is finals week, and I've decided that this year, I'm not gonna take finals. And instead, I'm gonna mail myself somewhere in a box. Today is December 20th, and that means it is my 22nd birthday. I guess my cat decided she's gonna join me. Not trying to be mean, but you're so ugly. Not trying to be the grammar police or anything, but you used the wrong your. It should be you_RE. Today, I'm gonna be talking about what it's like to grieve 4 years ago today. I created my channel and posted my first ever YouTube video. I'm gonna be talking all about why I hate the mailman. I know this is like the most flattering angle. Here are a bunch of my favorite moments with Abby. I ended up in the emergency room due to kidney stones. I actually have them right here. So today I'm just going to be talking about my friend who completed the act of suicide. A little bit of what has happened within the past 5 years. Like I said, a lot's happened. I've gone through a lot. I've changed a lot. And now I figured I would just sit here and talk to you guys for a few minutes. I wanted to start off by saying when I started my channel, I had no intentions of being a consistent YouTuber. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I did it because I simply wanted to show my family what I was doing in my free time. And it all started with my first video, which I will have linked down below for you guys. And it was my how to make a crayon art canvas. And I filmed that video on the camera you guys saw in the montage. It was super bad quality. I had no idea what I was doing. My setup was awful. And that one video got over 100,000 views. And that's when I became a consistent YouTuber. And I do YouTube for the fun of it. I don't do it as a job or anything like that. I simply do it because it's something I enjoy doing. When I started my channel, I had just turned 18 years old and a senior in high school. And here I am, a senior in college. college now at the age of 23. In these past 5 years, I have changed my major a bunch of times. I've gained friends, I've lost friends. I lost my best friend Abby, which I will have a video of her linked down below. I've talked about depression, I've talked about grief, I've talked about anxiety, I've talked about dropping out of college, I've talked about what it's like having step siblings, and I've talked about so much more here on my channel. And I want to continue doing that. I have learned to brush off the haters, I have learned to laugh at all their comments, I've learned what it's like to be a business owner, I've learned to do my own taxes and pay my own bills, and everything in between. And honestly, without YouTube, I don't think I would be where I am today. I don't think I would be as mature as I am today, and I don't think I would be as happy as I am today. For me, YouTube is an outlet where I get to share my life and share what's on my mind, and just because I am a senior in college doesn't mean that once I graduate I will be giving up YouTube, because I actually will be going back to school next fall, and even then, after I graduate a second time, I still have no plans on giving up YouTube. YouTube is something that I want to document for the rest of my life if I'm able to. I want to document having a family and falling in love and everything like that. And I'm so happy that all of you have decided to follow my journey as well, and for those of you who have stuck with me since the beginning, I want to give a huge thank you to, because you guys all keep me going, and I honestly wouldn't be where I am today without you. So thank you to all of you, and I really hope you guys liked this video. I had a blast going through hours upon hours of footage and putting together a montage, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button to follow my journey and become a member of the Allie Packer Squad. I really hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!